Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? How are you doing on this very, 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 very soggy Sunday? I should have actually been at a car show today. Should have been at a car show, but it got rained off. I've been in the office for a little while, actually sorting out some choir bits and pieces, and it's just started hammering it down again. Yuck, 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 blooming yuck. So I thought, let's cheer ourselves up and let's have a look at one of our new beautiful, beautiful warmers. Okay, so this is new to the new catalogue that started on the 1st of September. This warmer, I think it's a little bit different to a lot of our warmers because it's a metal warmer. So I don't know if you can see that. It's like an antique copper. This is called Deep Roots. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. So you've got that beautiful, beautiful tree etched out of this copper. Look at that. And then inside, I don't know if you can see, but inside you've got like a glittery sleeve. I mean, this looks beautiful off, but let me turn it on. Oh, look at that. How pretty. I'm going to go up. Can you see how sparkly that is? And the light all gets diffused as it shines through. It is so sparkly. It's really glittery in there. How gorgeous is that? So as I say, this is one of our brand new warmers. I'll turn it all the way around because on the back you can see it says Scentsy. There we are. Gorgeous. And it's got quite a deep dish. I think it takes at least 4 cubes. I'm trying to see because I've actually got some wax in it. But yes, 4 cubes. Look at that. I've only just turned it on so the wax hasn't melted. Yeah, I put wax in it when I took it to a show last week. But look at that. Isn't it beautiful? So the Deep Roots warmer is £61. And it's metal. And I think it will sort of really go with any decor, won't it? That's the size. So you've got the same pattern front and back. There you go. And then the sides are plain. Well, the trees go round the sides, as you can see. Let me turn it off again so you can see it off. I just love it. How beautiful is that? So there we go. Yes, it's a very, very quick one today. Just wanted to come on and show you this absolutely stunning. Look at that lovely copper. Sorry, you can see my computer shining. I've got the screen on next to me and it's shining onto it, which is what you can see. But look at that beautiful, beautiful copper. How it shows all the different shades of copper there. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yes, I took it to a show last week. I'm trying to work out where it's going in the house because I've got like copper highlights in my kitchen, so I think this will look really pretty in the kitchen. Just got to work out where, because the yeah, the knobs and the trim all around our kitchen is copper. So yeah, look at that. Well, so yes, very, very quick one today. Just wanted to show you how super duper this was. And I will come on later on in the week. We've got a couple of new warmers here. And I'll come along and do a couple of lives with a different one each time. So you get to see all the new catalogue. Love it. I will speak to you all soon. Enjoy the rest of your soggy Sunday.